Okay guys, Andrew at Impress. I just want to talk to you about what we've got today. This is going to be a video editing machine for our guy Bruce. He is in charge of making all these videos beautiful. What we're going to do for him is put an i5 12th gen into a Z690 little micro mini ITX build for him. We even have a Phantex metallic gear case. We put in an RX 6600 for some decent video rendering, powered by an EVGA label, 750 watt gold power supply, 16 gigs Corsair Vengeance RAM, DDR4, then a PNY label Exhilarate model of the 500 gig NVMe. Now all of that is right on top. Is going to be that Noctua heatsink, premium parts. All right, we designed these for you. If you wanted to come in and have a computer built from the ground up, we can help you with video editing. We can help you with gaming computers. We can set you up for that as well. All you have to do is give us a call, 281-647-9977. Thanks guys, have a great day. Okay guys, the finished product is going to be up and running. As you can see, the i5 12th gen right in the Z690 motherboard, 32 gigs DDR4. The RX 6600 is really equipped for 4 monitors at once. If you need this kind of setup, if you don't want to go all the way up in the high-end graphics cards, you don't need to. We offer both of these components here at Impress. If you're interested in that, all you have to do is stop by. We build these for you, construct them from box to up and running. We monitor as well if you need any kind of remote IT support. We have an active group for that, as well as any customer service in the front. You just come on in, give us a call anytime, 281-647-9977. Have a great Thanksgiving.